think the streets know that y'all cutting fentanyl? Might be as dumb as you look.
How you doing, man?
I know this time of year is gonna be tough.
We are here today at yet another fatal scene. A body of a young lady was discovered after a house party last night.
That's what I'm talking about. I didn't catch your name.
I ain't give it.
If you do anything illegal, don't tell any of the guys that come here. Majority of them are cops.
So you think this is a good idea or what?
Jerry Johnson, we got a couple.
holding me back.
Why are you running from the police?
Cause y'all the police.
Don't give me that shit.
My brother is dead, Dre. For all I'm concerned, war's been brought.
Killing cops is not where it's at.
They have a smiley face that they put on each one of their packages.
How stupid to you?
You ready for the night?
Yeah, we ready. Why not use her situation as your fire to pin these motherfuckers who are the root cause of this?
Fuck did y'all think was gonna happen?
How the fuck are either of us supposed to make money if you don't answer the phone? Call me back, dude. Oh shit, Jesse, you out already?
How can I trust you?
You can't.
No, I wasn't here. Nobody was. That's the problem.
Why be so loyal to somebody who's not loyal to you?
Have a good day, detective.
Holding me back.